girl, hey. So I get asked all the time, when you're just starting to do your makeup, exactly like, and you don't want to like always have like a beat face, like, with eyeshadow and stuff like that, but you still want to look cute every day. What do you do and what do you use like without breaking the bank? So this tutorial is a quick video on how to use budget friendly drugstore products, and I think the most that I spent on any product was like $15. So if you want to see how to get this face on a friendly budget, stay tuned. I'll see you next time. So jumping right into it, I'm taking my elf matte face lotion and I'm just beginning to mattify my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the elf matte primer to prime my face. Because if you don't know, now you know that I love me a matte face. And now we're going to go ahead and take our foundation, and that's in the color 355. That's the Maybelline 24 Hour Stay Foundation. And we're just going to go ahead and just place that all of our face like regularly. And then next we're going to go ahead and take our Maybelline Rewind Concealer, and we're just going to place that under our eyes, on the bridge of our nose, up under our nose and our chin. You know, the places that we want the light to hit us in our face. We want to bring, light back to our face. And now I'm going to go ahead and take the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color 30 to go ahead and set the concealer. And then I'm going to take the Maybelline Pressed Powder in the color 355 Coconut so that I can go ahead and brush that loose powder off and set my foundation at the same time. And then next, I'm going to take this L'Oreal concealer, but we're going to use it to contour. It's in the color Mocha, I believe, or Cafe. I'm not sure. I'll be sure to list that. But we're going to go ahead and take that to contour, and we're just going to contour lightly. And then we're going to take the Fit Me Loose Powder in the color 40, and we're going to use that to set the contour. And I also like to use it to place it a little bit on my eyes when I'm doing like an everyday face like this, because sometimes I just like to have a little something on my eyes. And then next we're going to take this Maybelline, oh my goodness, Maybelline eyelash mascara so that we can prep our eyelashes for falsies. And I just got these falsies these are just some Walmart falsies that I'm using, that I'm just popping on. And we're just popping these on. Yeah, they're pretty thin, but I like to take them to go ahead and double up. So those last two pair that you saw, I went ahead and put them together and made one pair because when you just put them on by themselves, they're kind of thin, and I wanted them to be a little bit thicker. So, yeah, I put them together all the time. I never use them as one lash. So we're just going to pop that on, and then after we've done our lashes, we're going to go ahead and take this Profusion palette, this Profusion blush palette, and we're going to use the darkest, well, the pinkest pink in the palette, and just place that on our cheeks to bring some fleshly color back to our face. And then I'm taking this Maybelline highlight in the color 100, and I'm just placing that on the the corners of my eyes, and on the bridge of my nose and on my cheeks. And then next I'm going to go ahead and take a a Wet n Wild lip pencil in the color Simmer Brown and just line my lips. And then this Maybelline matte Stay Ink lipstick. So I do hope that you guys enjoy, and thank you.